Wednesday, September 3, another vlog. So it's live update again. So comment down below pala before I kwento for today's araw. So comment nyo dyan if anong gusto nyong gawin ko for my channel, or like DM nyo na lang ako. So anyways, this September 3, Wednesday, 11:29 p.m. So I have class at 12 noon in my field methods subject. And actually nag-start na yung prelims week namin. Nag-start na siya nung last Friday, I think, if I'm not mistaken, August 29 until today. Pero yung September 1, nag-cancel ng classes dahil maulan. So, baka yung ibang prof hindi pa nagpa-exam. For sure, hindi pa nagpa-exam. So anyways, ang exam ko is tomorrow, which is same subject, so FM ko. And then 2 subjects next week, Tuesday, which is September 9. So yeah, so today may class kami. Actually, hindi naman maglalaso na, parang more on review na lang for tomorrow exam and then groupings, I think. So anyways, yun lang muna ang update ko. And I will see you later. Bye. Alright guys, it is 2:58 p.m. and same day. So if you can see, sorry sa background ko and sa ilaw natin ngayon kasi I'm using my camera sa MacBook and naka-close yung curtains ko kasi it's so hot. It's currently almost 32 degrees right now. So naka-aircon ako, if you can hear sa background. So anyways, my class ended around 1 o'clock p.m. and early dismissal kasi nga konti na naman ang diniscuss ni ma'am. I mean, actually hindi siya nag-discuss eh. Nag-pop quiz lang kami, if I mentioned earlier, na yun nga, nag-ano lang, parang review for our exam tomorrow. So early dismissal, pero nag-discuss pa kami with my groupmates para sa aming paper na gagawin na isa-submit. So anyways, yun na yun. And before I going to my dorm, bumili muna ako ng Daily Joe na coffee for my caffeine for today, and mag-review nga tayo for our exam tomorrow, which is 14 items exam. So I need my caffeine for today, and I ordered Spanish latte lang. So that's our update. Medyo uminit ulit, so ganito yung ilaw natin. So anyways, yeah, that's our update for today, and I'll see you for the next clip if later or tomorrow na lang. So yeah, thank you so much. See you. Hello guys. Hello guys. So it's currently September 4, Thursday, 5:10 in the afternoon. So nag-ready na ako kasi may exam ako at 6 p.m. sa field methods, which is yung na-mention ko before itong clip na to. So I studied yesterday, last night until around 1:30, and then nag-aral ulit ako from 12 to 2, tapos nagpahinga ako 2 to 4, tapos from 4 to 5 nag-aral ulit ako. So yeah, like yung pag-aral ko is, if I don't know if very siya, like true to the pero trinay ko yung ChatGPT, like nagpagawa ko sa kanya ng quizzes and then essay something para dun ako, tapos sinasagutan ko siya, and then yun, basta ganon. So yun yung ginawa kong strategy ngayon. So hopefully gumana siya, and then ako sa church, sa campus, para mag-pray before ako mag-exam, and I'll be going sa room ata ni Naya kasi may class siya ngayon right now, matatapos na 6 o'clock, and then sabay na kayo pumunta sa room for our prelims exam sa field methods. So yeah, that's for the update, and we'll see you later na lang. Bye guys. Hello guys, sorry, may tissue. Anyway, I'm here sa Alingal building. It's currently 5:45 p.m. and 15 minutes na lang before our exam. Hinihintay ko pa si Naya kasi nasa taas siya. May class pa nga siya. So, sabay na lang kami. So, dito ako sa Zia nagpapaayat. Pupunas na ako ng pawis ko. Anyways, see you later guys and good luck to us. So, this is us after the exam. Number 1 ulit. Number 1, mali agad. Wala. Huwag naman po. So anyways, yun lang. Tapos ang exam namin. And then next week wala kami pasok.
Yeah.
And then, so that next, Tuesday na. Tuesday? Ay, wala. Monday walang pasok kay ma'am. Tuesday kay ma'am. So anyways, na-exam pa kami sa Soksay. sa Tuesday. And then ako, may exam din ako sa clinical. Ikaw, kaya na-exam mo? Pep talk pala to. Kaya na-exam mo?
Feel ko Tuesday.
Feel niya, hindi pa siya sure.
Talaga sure.
Kala ko hindi na 0.5. Anyways, bye guys. See you in the next clip. Ano? Malamang, ay di ako.
Hindi ikaw yung guest?
Ako nga to. Akong guest mo sa number 1.
Kaya naman pala. Thank you.
Hawakan mo sa baba.
Hindi ko naman pala na-guest.
Ako yung guest mo. Sabay na naman tayo. Hindi na talaga. Same na naman tayo dito. Past 6 na and I'm here sa SM Cinemas kasi mag-watch ako ng 100 Awit para kay Stella. I'm treating myself alone. Yes, alone again. Nagawa ko na to dati. Siguro pang 7 times na to or 6 times na manonood ng solo. So yeah, let's go. 6:30 ang start. Hola guys, it is Friday, September 12, 5:55 p.m. And if you can see sa background natin tonight, today, kasi hindi pa gabi, nasa Sorsogon tayo. I went home yesterday, September 11, and umuwi ako kasi una, transaction ngayon sa Naga, so may event, and then pangalawa, yun ang background. So pangalawa, nag-announce yung prof ko na dalawa na asynchronous, and then yung isa kong subject, online class. So, nasa biyahe ako, nasa online class pa din ako. I mean, nag-online class ako. So, anyways, yun na nga. And dapat kasi talaga, if may pasok ako maghapon kahapon, today ako babiyahe, kaninang umaga. Pero, good thing na lang na nag-announce sila ahead. Kasi if ever kasi ngayon ako umuwi, baka wala lang akong masakyan. And mahirap na mag-book ng Grab. Kasi nga, to close na yung mga roads dahil nga sa event. So anyways, yun na, I'm here in Sorsogon again. I spent for 2 nights lang sa Naga and umuwi ako kasi wala nang pasok. So yeah, I'll be staying here in Naga until Monday night. Tuesday morning, I'll be going back to Naga kasi may class ako and I need to do things for my subject pala. So yun. And then uwi na din ako kinabukasan, which is on the 17th kasi wala kaming pasok from the 17th up till September 22 kasi fiesta sa Naga and then city day ata if I'm mistaken. Yeah, so yan. And uwi ako 23 ng umaga and aalis sila mami next weekend, so I'll be staying here in Sorsogon. So that's our little update. I will see you sa next clip siguro if ito na yung last clip for this vlog or let's say if may next clip pa. So yeah, that's an update y'all. Maya ulit.
Ang laki pala.